Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to create a Facebook page on your mobile phone step by step. Whether you want to build a business page, creator page, brand page or professional page, this guide will teach you everything you need to get started right away. A Facebook page helps you to grow a business, create a brand, make money on Facebook, build an online presence, start content creation. The methods I'm going to show you guys in this video tutorial works both on Android and iPhone as well as Facebook Lite and the normal Facebook app. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe, follow and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. So now the first step is to tap on my Facebook app to open it. So let me tap on my Facebook app. You can see guys, my Facebook account has opened up. So now the first step is to tap on the menu icon on the right. You can see it right there at the top right. So let me tap on the menu icon. Then now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see create new profile or page. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then now you can see what's written here. It says which option is best for you. So what you have to do is to tap on the second option, which is professional. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. You can see professional right there. Then let me tap on next. Right here is the next step. This is where you can start creating your Facebook page. You can see what's written there. It says get started with a page. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to show you guys the second method that is going to bring you right here. So what I'll do now is to go back. I want to show you guys the second method that's going to bring you right there. You can see where it is written pages. You can see it right there. So what you have to do is to tap on it. Remember, this is the second method. So let me tap on where you can see pages. Let me tap on it right away. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see create. You can see create right there at the top. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to tap on next. You can see next down there. So let me tap on next. Right here guys, you can see it has brought us back to this same page. So what you have to do now is to go ahead now to input your Facebook page name. So let me input my Facebook page name right away. I don't want this video to be too long, just hold on. You can see I've inputted my name. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. You can see where it is written next down there. Then right here is the next step. It says what category best describes phone mobile. So what is your page all about? So you can input your category right there. So let me input tech. Let me select tech. So let me select GD2 creator as well. Your own might be about education, entertainment. Just go ahead to input the category that best describes your Facebook page. So guys, now I've inputted all of this. Now I chose to. So let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see create. You can see it down there. So let me tap on create. Let me tap on it right away. You can see it's loading. Then here is the next step. It says finish setting up your page. So what you have to do is to input your Facebook page bio, your website if you have any, your email and the rest of them. So let me quickly input my bio. That's only what I'm going to input. You can see I've inputted my bio. So let me tap on next down there. You can see next down there. You can see now it's loading. Right here is the next step. This is where you're going to be able to customize your page by uploading your profile image and also your cover photo. So let me tap on the camera icon right there. You can see it to upload my profile picture. You can see it has directed me now to my gallery, but I don't want to upload anything. So let me cancel it. Then for your cover photo, you tap on the camera icon again. You can see it has directed me to my gallery, but I don't want to select any picture. So what I have to do next is to tap on next. You can upload your profile images if you want. Then here's the next step. It says invite friends. So what I'll do now is to go ahead now to select a couple. You can select all your friends if you want, the friends that you have on your Facebook, your personal Facebook profile. So let me tap on next. I just need 2 friends to invite. I can invite them later. So let me go ahead now to tap on invite on the right hand side. Let me tap on it. You can see now. Then here's the next step. It says stay informed about your page. Yes, I need this turned on and they are all turned on. So let me go ahead now to tap on done at the bottom. Can see now it's loading. You can see it says switching to my Facebook page. Wow guys, you can see now I've been able now to create a Facebook page. You can see it right here. What I need to do now is to go over to my profile to show you guys on my Facebook page profile. Let me tap on the profile image. So guys, right here is my page. You can see I just have 0 likes and 0 followers for now. So guys, this is how you can simply create your Facebook page on your mobile device. Thank you.